In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard Smoke Detector. The Heimgard Smoke Detector is an important part of your security system. A smoke detector should be located in all bedrooms and living rooms. First step in setting up your new smoke detector is to remove the mounting bracket and the battery cover to expose the battery. Remove the battery isolation by pulling the plastic tab and put the cover back on. You are now ready to pair the smoke detector with your Heimgard app. Open the Heimgard app and click the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Click Manage Devices, then click the plus sign and click the Scan for New Device symbol. It's time to activate your smoke detector. Insert the metal pin, click and hold the Join button for 3 seconds while your app is scanning for your device. You are now ready to configure your smoke detector. Name your device and choose your designated room. You can also add it to your security system by clicking on Advanced Option and Security System. When mounting device to your surface, you have 2 options. Option 1. Remove protective layer on the double-sided tape on the back of the wall mount and stick it onto desired surface. Or Option 2. Attach the ceiling mount using screws. Mount your smoke detector 50 centimeters away from the nearest wall and 30 centimeters from lighting and decoration. If you have a sloped ceiling, place the smoke sensor 100 centimeters down the slope from the peak of your ceiling. Important notice: make sure that you place your smoke detector away from bathrooms, fans, or heating/cooling vents, cooking appliances, windows, or sliding glass doors. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimguard.com.